you nearly at the end of a packet of cereal? Because if you are, don't throw away that box. You're going to need it today. So today we are making a journal. It's not going to be a big journal. It's going to be a small art journal. So if you're keen to have a go yourself, you'll only need a few things. A little bit of cardboard, some glue, some paper, some paint, and some little bits and pieces to prettify, fancy it up. But if you don't want to do that and you just want to chill and relax, then come with me and I'll take you through the creative process and you can just have a cup of tea and put your feet up. What could be better? I'll see you in a bit. I'll get my bits and pieces together now. Okay, well, I had to have a little tea break, of course, and I've been busy. I stuck the first 2 pages together to get an extra little bit of thickness. Stuck a luggage label there too, because I'll probably do a little bit of writing or maybe even make that into a pocket. We'll see. In the terms of the front and the back, I've painted a very pale wash using just acrylics of almost a sea green, and used this really lovely little stamp which I picked up at a craft fair in Bobby Tracy just recently. It was absolutely fantastic craft fair, and I picked it up. It wasn't very expensive and it's really nice. It really adds to that country feel. The front, I've just literally put a bluey greeny wash on it. So we're going to try and stamp on here, continue on there. I've got one of these ombre ink pads and these are absolutely fantastic. So let's see how that goes. Give it a really good squeeze and press around. Yeah, Excellent, excellent, that's come out really well. I think I mentioned in my last video that I absolutely love butterflies and I'm on the lookout for a blue one. But I don't have any blue ink today, any blue ink pads at all. So I do want butterflies on the front of here, and I'm going to see if I can put a little bit of, have a little butterfly up here. I'm not doing anything too fancy here. Okay, there you go, little butterfly. Fly freely amongst the flowers. Yeah, and we've got some plants at the bottom there, but we're going to build those plants up at the bottom so we've got a bit more contrast with colour. So I'm going to try and get some lavender in there because the garden's full of lavender at the moment, and that's that combination of bees around the lavender and butterflies. It's so evocative of summer, so let's get some lavender in there too. And then we can get some stalks and little branches and things coming through. And I think some of these we could make into wild foxgloves as well. Yeah, I think that's going to look really nice. So we'll get a chalk marker. You know, I love chalk markers. You'll see that I use them quite a lot. I'm just going to drag some green stalks through that lot.
Oh, this is Millie. She's come to say goodbye to. Well, we've come out in the garden again because I always like to come out and finish things off, and if the weather's nice, things dry quickly, don't they? Anyway, here it is, the finished article, the little mini journal. It feels really quite strong and substantial. A nice little keepsake either for yourself, which is really nice, isn't it? Always treat ourselves, always. Or maybe a friend as a birthday gift, something like that. Anyway, lots of empty pages to fill up. Really exciting. I did actually also, as you can see, finish that first page, so I've got a blank canvas there to write over, maybe put little quotes or sayings, anything really, anything that I fancy. I'm not completely sure what I'm going to use it for at the moment, but I have an idea, and I think it might link into next week's video. So we might have to wait and see. Anyway, have a lovely week, a good and safe week as always, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.